In this video, I'm going to show you how to downgrade Google Chrome to an older version on Windows step by step. This is helpful if a newer update caused problems, if a website works better on an earlier version, or if you simply need a specific Chrome build for compatibility. Before we begin, a quick note. Downgrading your browser can sometimes affect security and features, so only use older versions when you really need to. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, click on the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can quickly find system tools and settings on your computer. Type Control Panel into the search bar, then click on the Control Panel app when it appears. Once the Control Panel opens, look for the option that says Uninstall a program. Click that and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your PC. Now scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome to select it. After selecting it, look at the top of the window and click Uninstall. Windows will begin removing Chrome from your computer, so follow any prompts that appear to complete the uninstallation. Once Chrome has been removed, open any browser you still have available on your PC. This could be Microsoft Edge or any other browser you can use to access the internet. In the address bar, go to www.oldversion.com/windows/Google-Chrome. This website provides older versions of Google Chrome that you can download. On the page, look for the old version you want to install. Choose the version that matches your needs, then download it to your computer. After the download finishes, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the older version of Chrome. Once installation is complete, launch Chrome and check that it opens correctly. You should now be running the older version you selected, and that's it. You've successfully downgraded Google Chrome on Windows. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.